Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a story that has captivated audiences for centuries, a tale filled with magic, danger, and incredible heroism. Get ready to explore the legendary world of Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves. This isn't just a story. It's an adventure that teaches us about courage, cleverness, and the timeless battle between good and evil. If you love epic tales and hidden histories, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we've got so many more legendary stories coming your way. So, what exactly is Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves? It is one of the most famous and beloved tales from the collection known as 1001 Nights or the Arabian Nights. This incredible compilation of Middle Eastern folk stories has been passed down through generations, enchanting readers and listeners with its rich tapestry of fantasy and adventure. The story of Ali Baba stands out for its perfect blend of magical elements, suspenseful moments, and profound moral lessons. It's a classic that explores themes of honesty, bravery, and loyalty, all wrapped up in an unforgettable narrative. It's more than just a fairy tale. It's a cultural treasure that has influenced countless books, films, and stories across the globe. Let's journey into the story itself. It all begins with our hero, Ali Baba, a humble and poor woodcutter living in a town in Persia. His life is simple, and he works hard every day to provide for his family. One day, while deep in the forest gathering wood, his ordinary life takes an extraordinary turn. He overhears the sound of approaching horses and quickly hides. From his hiding spot, he witnesses a band of 40 menacing thieves ride up to a large, sealed rock face. Their leader dismounts and utters a phrase that will change Ali Baba's destiny forever. With a commanding voice, the captain of the thieves declares, "Open sesame." To Ali Baba's astonishment, a hidden door in the rock slides open, revealing a dark cave. The 40 thieves enter, and after some time, they emerge, and the captain seals the entrance again with the words, "Close sesame." Once they are gone, driven by curiosity, Ali Baba approaches the rock. With a trembling voice, he repeats the magic words, "Open sesame." The door opens for him, and what he finds inside is beyond his wildest dreams. The cave is a treasure trove, filled to the brim with glittering gold coins, sparkling jewels, priceless silks, and riches beyond imagination. Overwhelmed but cautious, Ali Baba takes a small portion of the treasure, just enough to lift his family out of poverty, and returns home. Now, Ali Baba had a brother named Qasim, who was wealthy but consumed by greed. When Qasim notices Ali Baba's sudden newfound fortune, he pesters him until Ali Baba reveals the secret of the magical cave. Qasim, blinded by his desire for more wealth, rushes to the cave. He easily gets inside using the magic words, but is so dazzled by the sheer amount of treasure that he completely forgets the phrase to get out. He becomes trapped. This part of the story serves as a powerful and timeless warning. Greed can lead to ruin. It clouds judgment and ultimately destroys those who let it control them. Qasim's fate is a stark reminder of the dangers of avarice. When the 40 thieves return to their hideout, they find Qasim inside. Their discovery confirms their worst fear. Someone else knows their secret. Furious and determined to protect their hoard, they launch a ruthless plan to find and eliminate anyone who might expose them. Their hunt leads them straight to Ali Baba's town. The captain of the thieves, a cunning and merciless man, devises a clever disguise to infiltrate Ali Baba's home and exact his revenge. The stage is set for a tense and deadly confrontation, where Ali Baba's life hangs by a thread. But the thieves have underestimated one crucial person in Ali Baba's household. This brings us to the true hero of the story, Morgiana. She is a clever and loyal slave in Ali Baba's house. With her sharp wit and keen observation, she sees through the thief captain's disguise. When the captain arrives at their home, pretending to be an oil merchant, bringing with him 39 large oil jars, one filled with oil and the others hiding his thieves, Morgiana grows suspicious. She uncovers their deadly plot to ambush and kill Ali Baba in the middle of the night. Instead of panicking, she acts with incredible bravery and intelligence. She foils their plan in a brilliant and decisive move, saving her master's life and turning the tables on the would-be assassins. Morgiana's heroism doesn't end there. The captain of the thieves, having escaped, returns once more, still obsessed with revenge. Again, he comes in disguise, but Morgiana's loyalty and cleverness are unmatched. During a banquet hosted by Ali Baba, she recognizes the captain. In a final, dramatic act of courage, she performs a dance with a dagger and, at the perfect moment, strikes down the captain, ending the threat of the 40 Thieves once and for all. Thanks to Morgiana's extraordinary bravery and quick thinking, the villains are defeated. In recognition of her loyalty and heroism, Ali Baba grants her freedom, and she is welcomed into his family as a hero. Her story is a powerful testament to the idea that courage and intelligence can triumph over brute force and evil. So, what makes this story so enduring? It's the powerful message that true wealth isn't gold or jewels, but qualities like courage, loyalty, and wisdom. Ali Baba represents humility and good fortune, while his brother Qasim is a cautionary tale about greed. But the shining star is Morgiana. She breaks the mold of a typical hero, showing that intelligence and bravery can come from anyone, regardless of their status in society. She is a symbol of empowerment, a character who uses her mind to overcome incredible odds. The phrase "open sesame" has become a part of our global culture, a magical key that unlocks not just treasure, but also possibilities and adventure in our imaginations. This story reminds us that even in the face of overwhelming danger, a sharp mind and a brave heart can lead to victory. And that's the incredible tale of Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves. A story that continues to inspire and entertain us hundreds of years after it was first told. What's your favorite part of this legendary adventure? Do you see Morgiana as the true hero? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your thoughts and discussing these timeless stories with all of you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the Arabian Nights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of the world's greatest legends. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the stories that shape our world.